Have you ever pondered why we age? This is a question that has intrigued mankind for centuries. Indeed, it is one of the most profound mysteries that science is yet to fully unravel. It's simply fascinating to think about the complex processes that our bodies go through as we journey through life. Let us embark on this intellectual journey, one that probes into the depths of our very existence. Over time, our bodies change, evolve, and ultimately age. But what exactly instigates these changes? Is it a ticking biological clock, an inevitable consequence of life, or something else entirely? Could it be our genetics that predetermine our aging process, or is it our lifestyle and environmental factors that play a more significant role? Scientists across the globe fervently seek answers to these questions, tirelessly studying and researching in the hope of unraveling the complex mysteries of aging. Our bodies are like an intricately woven tapestry, with each thread representing a different aspect of our biological systems. As time progresses, these threads, while resilient, eventually start to fray and wear. We bear witness to this through the physical signs of aging: wrinkles, graying hair, decreased energy, and so on. The process of aging is a convoluted mix of biology, genetics, environmental factors, and even our psychological state. It's a fascinating topic that continues to captivate the brightest minds in science. So, why do we age? That's the million-dollar question. Welcome to a fascinating exploration of the biological basis of aging. Let's delve into this captivating subject matter and try to unearth the secrets that time has kept hidden for so long. Let's piece together the puzzle of life and aging. To start with, let's dive into the miniature world within us, the cellular level, where a crucial component of the aging process resides in obscurity: the telomere. The telomere, you might wonder what it is and why it is so essential. Well, let's draw an analogy to understand this concept better. Think of a telomere in the same way you would consider the tiny plastic tip on the end of your shoelaces, but their role is much more than preventing your shoelaces from fraying. These telomeres serve as protective caps for your chromosomes, playing a vital role in the process of cell division. Every time a cell divides, telomeres act as a buffer, preventing the loss of vital genetic information. They do so by shortening themselves. This shortening of telomeres is a fundamental aspect of how we age. As cells continue to proliferate and telomeres continue to shorten, there comes a time when they become excessively short. This critical threshold is reached, cells lose their ability to divide effectively. This breakdown in the cell division process is one of the leading causes of the physical attributes we associate with the aging process. It also paves the way for various age-related diseases, transforming the once vibrant cells into worn-out and inefficient versions of their previous selves. In the same vein, another critical element in the aging process is mitochondrial dysfunction. Mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of our cells, can become less efficient as time passes, leading to cellular damage and aging. Why is that? It's because these mitochondria are responsible for generating the energy our cells need to function. When their efficiency is compromised, the cells struggle to perform their tasks, leading to widespread cellular damage and contributing to aging. And finally, we encounter the concept of cellular senescence. This is the state in which cells lose their capacity to divide but persist in our system. These zombie-like cells can cause problems, potentially leading to inflammation and tissue damage as they too exist without contributing positively to our cellular functions. In conclusion, the process of aging is far more complex than it seems at first glance. Whether it's the shortening telomeres, the less efficient mitochondria, or the persistent senescent cells, all these factors intertwine to form the intricate process we know as aging. To fully understand this process, one must delve deep into the world within us, a world that is microscopic, yet its impact is anything but. Then there's cellular senescence, the state where cells lose their ability to divide but still linger, potentially causing inflammation and tissue damage. Now imagine if we could reverse these effects. What a fascinating thought, isn't it? Epigenetic reprogramming is the process that could possibly make this a reality. Let's delve a bit deeper into this concept. Epigenetic alterations are changes that inherently affect gene expression, yet they carry out this task without modifying or tampering the DNA sequence itself. The commencement of these changes begins at the precise moment of birth, and they continue to accumulate throughout the entire lifespan of an individual, subtly yet persistently influencing the process of aging. Over the years, the cumulative effects of these alterations can lead to visible signs and symptoms of aging. However, a beacon of hope emerges from the realm of scientific research. In an interesting twist, recent studies and various novel research initiatives suggest these effects may not be as permanent as we once believed. Scientists are now theorizing that these effects might be reversible. This opens up a new possibility. We might be able to scientifically manipulate and tweak our genes' behavior. It has startling and exhilarating potential. It makes us wonder if we could, in fact, harness our genetic programming to slow down the inevitable aging process or even possibly reverse it, making the dream of youthful longevity a potential reality. Essentially, we may be able to tweak our genes' behavior to slow down or even reverse the aging process. Finally, there's autophagy, a process where cells self-clean by breaking down and recycling their own damaged components. This is a fascinating self-preservation method that cells utilize in order to discard the unnecessary and the non-functional. It can be considered as nature's own recycling system, a life-sustaining operation that is as essential as it is complex. Imagine your house filled with dust and clutter. Over time, you would need to clean it up, discarding what is no longer needed and reorganizing the rest. This is exactly what autophagy does on a cellular level. It's like a cellular spring cleaning. This is a continuous operation, a consistent cycle of destruction and renewal that keeps cells in top shape. Autophagy plays a pivotal role in maintaining cellular health and longevity. The importance of this process can't be overstated. It is essence, a key to the cell's survival, ensuring that it functions properly and efficiently. It's like a guardian that shields the cell from degeneration and depletion. But how does one stimulate autophagy? The answer lies in basic healthy habits like fasting and exercise. When you fast or exercise, your body undergoes a certain amount of stress. This stress triggers autophagy, stimulating it to start the process breaking down and recycling. This not only helps maintain good cellular health, but it also has profound effects on our overall well-being. In a broader sense, the activation of autophagy through fasting and exercising could potentially contribute to better overall health and potentially extend lifespan. It is indeed a fascinating process that shows just how intricate and beautiful the mechanisms of our body are. Finally, there's autophagy, a process where cells self-clean by breaking down and recycling their own damaged components. It's like a cellular spring cleaning. Autophagy plays a crucial role in maintaining cellular health and longevity. It can be stimulated in various ways, including fasting and exercise, which may contribute to better overall health and potentially extend lifespan. In summary, aging is a complex process influenced by telomere shortening, mitochondrial dysfunction, and cellular senescence. Telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, naturally shorten as we age. This shortening contributes to the aging process, as when they become too short, cells can no longer divide and become inactive or senescent or die. This is an unavoidable process, but lifestyle and environmental factors can speed up telomere shortening, leading to premature aging and associated diseases. On the other hand, mitochondrial dysfunction is also a prominent feature of aging. The power plants of our cells produce the energy needed for cellular activity. As we age, the efficiency of mitochondria decreases, leading to lower energy production and contributing to the aging process and the onset of age-related diseases. Similarly, cellular senescence, a state of permanent cell cycle arrest, also plays a crucial role in aging. Senescent cells accumulate with age and secrete factors that can damage adjacent cells, causing chronic inflammation, which is a major risk factor for many age-related diseases. However, the recent breakthroughs in the field of epigenetic reprogramming, which involves changes in gene expression that can turn certain genes on or off, potentially slow down or even reverse some of the age-related changes. Similarly, autophagy, the process by which cells recycle their own components to provide the necessary building blocks for maintaining cellular functions and adapting to stress, can also be targeted to counteract aging. Moreover, research in these areas has led to the development of promising anti-aging interventions, including drugs and lifestyle modifications, which could help us live longer and healthier lives. These scientific advancements give us hope that we could not only understand aging better, but also intervene in the process in a significant way. The science of anti-aging is a field full of promise, and who knows, In the future, we may be able to turn back the biological clock and enjoy a healthier, longer life. Remember, every wrinkle tells a story, but what is the tale behind these lines etched into our skin? The science might surprise you. Just like the tree rings that help us understand its age, wrinkles are not simply an aesthetic nuisance. They are records of our life experiences. They represent triumphs, struggles, joy, and sorrows. The deeply etched lines and soft creases are a testament to our resilience, adaptability, and strength. The science behind these markings is not just about aging, but about understanding life's complexities and nuances. Through this knowledge, we may be able to extend our healthy years. So let's dive into the enigma of these lines, these wrinkles that are integral to our narrative. Always remember, knowledge is power, so keep learning, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep growing. Until next time.